Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before.
Hey guys, it's a beautiful day out. I still haven't changed my battery. I'm actually going to Walgreens to purchase the battery. And yeah, it's completely dead now because it's not even, oh man, it's not even sensing my hand no more. Wow. Yep, have to do it the old-fashioned way that I'm not used to. But I got to do it. Oh, okay. So here we go. Foot on the brake. Here we go. Right there. LED light up. Yeah, I'm off today, so I'm definitely going to purchase a battery at Walgreens. I don't want to go to Walmart. Walmart is too crowded. It's too much going on. So I'm going to step into Walgreens and step back out. Okay guys, I'm back. Hope you guys could see. This is the Energizer 1632 battery for my key fob. You know, the Toyota Avalon 07. And let me show you guys how to do it. You gotta press this button right here. Hold on, let me try to get some light because I'm using my GoPro right now. So let me get some light in, get some light on. Okay, here we go. Yeah, you push this button. It said push, release that. Then here you push it in like this. I think it's this way. And you twist it. And when you twist it, hold on, it should pop open. Okay, let me give a better demonstration. Okay, it's like this or like this. It's like this. Okay, now, okay, it should be like this then. Yeah, you push it in like this. And come on, it should pop, bam. Oh, wow. It popped right open. Well, hopefully I didn't mess it up. I made a whole mess here. Okay, let's see. It's actually in here. The battery is located. Yep. Okay, so here is the easiest. I don't have to mess with this. This is just it's supposed to be like right here. These two parts, the lock and open at the top. This is just to fit in right there to secure that. Right, yeah. Okay, so the battery is basically right there, and I'm gonna use a knife to pop it open. Let me first take this battery out of the seal. Once that open, okay, this is the new battery and this is the old one. I'm gonna just pop this. We have two things that's basically, or three things that look like holding it, like it's holding it in. If I had a flat head, that probably would have worked. Well, the knife worked perfectly. So that was that. And let me pop this in just like that, easy and simple. Put this back where it belongs. Is it this way? Okay, probably the other way. This way. Actually, no. It's actually this way. Right? Okay, that's not the way. It's the other way. So it was basically in this way. And it was basically like this. Should be right. Okay. and I'm gonna just pop it in and see how it looks. I don't know if I'm doing it right, guys, but okay, let me turn it the other way and see. Okay, it's supposed to be like this way then. So yep, I got it in wrong. It's this way, this facing this way, just like that. Okay, perfect. And for the other part, which is the buttons, it's supposed to be like this, and you just press it back in, click right back in, and yes, it's working. As you can see, the red button, you can see it, hopefully you can see it. It works. And I'm gonna do a test, so I'm gonna head outside, guys, and see if it works. Alright guys, you see that I have it in my hands, and I'm going to put it in my pocket because there's no need for it no more. So put it in my pocket and let me walk to the vehicle. Yes, it's nice and windy here in Florida, not too bad. The sun be coming in and out, so that's my vehicle, guys. Toyota Avalon 07. Isn't she pretty? Look at this. Yes. Ooh. Yes. Put my foot on the brake. Yes, I'm back. Changed the battery. Got it at Walmart, and it works perfectly. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I thank you guys for all the support that you support me. Because without you guys, I wouldn't be doing videos like this, man. I really appreciate all the support that you guys gave me. I really appreciate it. And that's why I will continuously, look, I can't even say properly, continuously. I said it right? Continuously. Hopefully I'm saying it correct. Guys, leave a comment and tell me if I'm saying it correctly or not. But yes, I will continuously support you guys, and I love the support. I love when y'all leave comments. I love when y'all leave the likes. You know, I love it, and I know y'all love it too when I do the same thing to y'all. So I will continue support you guys, leaving likes, you know, leaving comments and share, you know. Yes, I love this family, man. I love you guys. But there you have it. Works perfectly. I don't need no key. I just locked it, and that's how it is. Hope you guys enjoying the little view, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And peace out. Bye bye. I might post another one today because I have like a couple videos that I haven't posted yet, but I will. Anyways, peace out. Bye bye. Take care. Have a blessed day. Happy Friday.